Welcome to Yoga Life with Amelia. This video, I'd like to share with you some tips on how to create a peaceful and quiet space for your meditation. A space that you can escape to and have a quiet moment and be calm to escape the daily stressors of life. There's no specific rule when creating your own meditation space. However, here are some tips that I'd like to share with you. Tip number 1. Meditation space does not have to take up one entire room in your home. When choosing a space, pick one that is quiet and have access to natural light or fresh air. Find a quiet spot in your home that makes you feel good. Having access to the sun or sunset and fresh air helps you connect to nature. Tip number 2. When decorating your personal space, choose pieces that is calming and not too distracting for your meditation practice. Another element to consider is adding aromatherapy in your meditation space. Choose scents that make you relax and release your stress. Choose art pieces that help you relax and connect with yourself, while keeping your area neat and tidy. Another element to consider is the color palette of your meditation room or space. Many choose pastel or neutral shades as opposed to bright or darker shades. Pick one that makes you feel calm and relaxed in your meditation. And remember, meditation can be done indoors or outdoors. Writing a gratitude journal is a form of meditation. Being away from your phone or other forms of technology helps in expressing gratitude freely. You may want to consider no phones allowed in your meditation space. I like to combine my yoga and meditation room in one area. This way, I can choose few basic elements like a small table, a yoga mat, a throw rug, and a pillow so the area is not cluttered. This way, I keep the area uncluttered and free of distractions. Doing a few yoga poses before meditation is a good way to prepare your body and mind. I'll provide a link in the description box below for some of these yoga sequences. Here's my friend Lena of Niyamas for Yoga Africa, who showed me her meditation space in an outdoor setting that is simple and quiet but effective. I hope you take what you have learned here and start looking around your home for a quiet meditation space. I'll also provide a link in the description box below of my previous videos on how to create a space for yoga. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia, and special thanks to my friends Lena of Niyamas for Yoga Africa, Mandala by Goldie, and Lena Art in Coburg, Germany. All their links are in the description box below. I also have several shorts video on meditation practice tips. I hope you get a chance to view it and leave me a comment. Thank you for viewing Yoga Life with Amelia. And as always, I'll see you on the next one.
And thank you for viewing Niyamas for Yoga Africa. And find out more about Niyamas for Yoga Africa.